How to assemble your new Urban Elastic Magnetic Belt from Xpand. First, remove both the buckle and the belt strap from their packaging. The packaging is made from paper and is fully recyclable. Now take the strap and identify the plug end. This will have a small plastic piece at the very end of the strap. On the back of the buckle, look for the side opposite the logo with an indent on the back. This is where you need to thread the belt strap through so that the plug end catches like shown. The plug end will fit perfectly flush into the back of the buckle. Flip the buckle over and secure with the pinch-pull method, or the one-at-a-time method. If you're struggling with the technique, we have another video more detailed on our channel, linked below. Now thread the belt around your waist and from the back side of the buckle, pull the strap through to your desired tension. Secure the same as before. Remember, the cool thing about the Urban belt is that it is magnetic, so throughout your day, as you need, you can pull or slide the buckle apart to release. It will then satisfyingly and securely snap back into place when you bring the two parts close together. To take the belt strap off or adjust the tension, pull the excess directly away from you and the front of the buckle. If you want the strap to be hidden entirely, you can thread the belt strap from the front side of the buckle to the inside and secure. This keeps the excess strap tight up against your body for a completely clean look and zero bother from the strap. The great thing about all our belts, be it the Magnetic Urban Buckle or the Minimal Explorer Buckle, is that the straps are all interchangeable. This means you can match your buckle, strap and color to help you best tackle your day. All our products can be found on our website, xpandlaces.com. Thank you for watching. Xpand. Move smarter.